Hi, my name is Kayla Boyer from the PRAVANA Collective. Today I'm going to be showing you a festive look using PRAVANA VIVIDS. First, I pre-lightened the hair using Pure Light Ultra Lightener and 20 volume at the base, lifting to about a level 9. After lightening, I mixed up some custom PRAVANA VIVIDS shades. Equal parts, 1 part green and then 1 part aquamarine. Equal parts, 1 part magenta, 1 part neon pink. And on the ends of the hair, I used VIVIDS silver with a few dots of VIVIDS orange to try to help neutralize and cancel out any blue that was remaining in the hair. On the first half of the head, whatever side you choose, apply the green formula at the base, blending into the silver formula on the ends. Repeat the same technique on the other side of the head using the magenta formula at the base. Thank you for watching today. You can follow me on Instagram at Kayla_Boyer. Don't forget to follow us at PRAVANA. See you later.